How's everybody? Shout out to all my subscribers. Thank you for viewing my videos. And I just get home from work and I just finished my shower and look at my face. It's a little bit shiny. I put something in there. So anyway, I'm not ready for bed. So I decided to bake Peticha. It's a Slovenian bread that my mother-in-law was used to bake when there is a special occasion like Christmas, New Year, or birthday, or wedding, you know. Accordingly, it's a family tradition, and this month also is my first death anniversary of my mother-in-law, and so I just want to celebrate her life through baking her recipe, and I hope it will be good. So let's start showing you my ingredients. I have 1 bottle flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 4 pieces of egg, 1 and 1/4 butter, and 1 and 1/4 milk, and 3 teaspoons of So first, I'm not really sure. 5 generous cups of flour. Generous, we don't need to keep it. So 5, 6. Mix together with the salt, sugar, this is to make sure there is no like this one, you know, everything should be. Kailangan wala talaga siya bubble size or buo. Water. Repeat now. You have to use 2 whole eggs. You need to put the milk and 2 egg yolks. I'll teach you guys. I'll show you a trick how to separate the egg yolks and the egg white. If I have to put it in the glass. Oops. Trick is not working, guys. So, yeah. Oh, I think this would be good. You have to keep the white eggs, guys, for the filling. So put the egg white aside with the milk. Sabi na lang ako mahirap na talaga. Hindi talaga mahirap siya. Tapos yung yes ko pala, ang hindi na kailangan i-prepare kasi instant siya. Hindi ko alam kung may instant ito na yun. Mayroong hindi. So kailangan okay lang siya to mix it directly to the flour. So I don't need to prepare it. So yan. Mix ko na yung egg at saka so ilagay na natin yun. For the recipe, I need 3 teaspoons of So the one package is 1 and 1/4 teaspoon. So I need 3 teaspoons. So I should use 1 packet and 1/4 teaspoon. Oh yes. Because I need another 1/4 teaspoon of yes. I need 3 teaspoons. So I just need 1/4 teaspoon. 1 and 1/4. This one. Kneading. Sorry. Yeah, you can see it. So, my hands are big. I took a shower. ngayon naman guys, dahil natapos na natin yung prepare ng ating dough, ipakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano i-prepare yung ating palaman. So, halika! So, ito ang produce ng ating palaman. Okay. Meron natin 4 cups of finely chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, 1/4 granulated sugar, and 1/4 milk. So, first, we put the walnut in large bowl. Tapos na, i-scald down natin ng milk. I already researched what scald means, but according to my research, we should eat the milk, but it should not be, or it should be below the boiling point. So, let's go scald natin. Nakapagod na siya. At hindi daw siya below boiling point. So, let's see. So, ilagay natin ito. Scald. All the ingredients, butter, I forgot to tell you also, egg yolk. So, we don't need egg yolk. So, make sure yung egg white, kailangan natin i-save yun for the later use. Kailangan natin na final na siya sa fillings yun. So, biglang kailangan ko sa egg. Tapos, i-mix natin siya. Kasi bukas ko pa ito, ang last ingredient na ilagay ko dito is egg na egg from the dough, yung sinisave natin, yung egg white pala, at saka tatlong egg white na sinisave natin sa previous preparation natin. Pero dahil bukas pa ito, lalagyan, sit aside daw muna natin yung egg white, tapos lagay natin bukas for final. And another preparation will be made tomorrow. So tapos takas pa natin ito guys, so lagay natin sa refrigerator. So tawa na natin. Okay guys, so I just take the dough from the refrigerator. So we have to let it stand for 2 to 3 hours or until the room temperature is back. So we just have to wait for another 2 to 3 hours. Guys, while we're waiting for our dough to be ready, let's finish the preparation of our fillings or yung palaman natin. So we have to beat the white eggs that we set aside last night, and we have to fold it with the walnut mix. So first we have to beat it until it's getting thicker, and then ihalo natin sa walnut mix natin. I just use this one guys because masyadong maano yung pag pinagamit ko yung electric mixture. So ito na lang pwede nito. Thick na siya, pwede na natin siyang i-fold into the walnut mixture. Yan, thick na siya. Malapit na siyang maging thicker. Yung kamay ko. Now, pwede na siya. Ihalo dito. Ready our table for the rolling of the dough. So we have to sprinkle the tablecloth with the flour, and then guys, it's not only that, to measure for the dough rolling, it accordingly it should be like 32 by 48. So our dough is ready, so let's roll it out very thinly. So let's start. Ito yata ang pinaka-mahirap na part. Ewan ko lang kung kaya ko to. Paano kaya to gawin? I really don't know. Oh my goodness. Did I do this way? Ow. Guys. So hard! Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? I don't know, I should watch the last year, my sister-in-law's made this bread, and I wasn't there when they start to roll the dough, and I don't know what it seems like. I'm giving up. This is so hard. Oh my goodness gracious. Very thinly. Oh no. So that's like that. Just be patient. Guys, just be patient. Very thinly. Very thin. Oh no. How are we gonna? I don't really know how to do it. Oh, guys. Let's just be like that. Follow what? I think I need a roller, right? Maybe I can use something to roll it out. Because I have no roller, I have to improvise. I have to improvise. Guys, but think, how do I gonna roll this dough? That's what happened. How many hours am I gonna do this way? Unbelievable! I forgot to buy a roller to use. Oh, this is the hardest part, guys. So I'll take a challenge. We have to spread our fillings all over. This is the easy part, huh? Not the rolling of the dough. That was so hard. So you make it sure. I think it would be okay, and it will be taste the same. The shape is not the same, but I'm sure it will be good. My husband will say something about it. If he doesn't like it, well, I'll try next time. I'm not giving up until I make it perfect, but I will make sure that I have the roller next time. I'll still do it again, guys. It's fun. I like challenges. I grew up that way. So it's just roll over, spread all over. I'm done spreading the fillings, and let's roll it. You know, guys, I feel like the shape of my dough is the map of Illinois or Bohol. So anyway, let's do this way. We have to roll this way. This is how I saw what they did. So I'll just keep going. Ooh, because you know, guys, it's really well. Let's see what happened, guys. So let's just keep going. I know, guys. Roll na natin. So because it's so low, I have to cut it. This way, like that, or like that. Doesn't matter. Okay. Put it here. Oh boy. Anyway, it's gonna be okay, guys. It's gonna be okay. This is my first try, so should be so if it will be done, it's gonna be okay. This is my first try, so please don't be upset with me. I think I don't know already the title of my video, guys. How to ruin your mother-in-law's recipe. Okay, anyway, we have to let this stand for another 30 minutes, and then it would be ready for baking for another 30 minutes. Okay, guys, so it's past 30 minutes already, so it's ready for baking. So we have to poke it 3 times deeply. 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And we have to press this one. Yeah, beaten egg. Press it. see what happens, guys. This is my first try, but I hope it will be okay. I'm sure it will be okay. It's not business type of baking, but it's still good. So we're gonna bake this one for 35 minutes, or until the dough is it looks golden. It looks golden, so it's ready to eat. Okay, so we have to wait for another 35 minutes. Okay, so the oven is ready. We have to bake this one for 35 minutes in 350 Fahrenheit. Hey guys, nandito na ang aking peticha. It's not as elegant as what my in-laws made or baked, but here is it. It looks like bread, right? So, tikman na lang natin kung ano ang lasa niya. Ito na siya. Ang sarap naman ah. Sana magustuhan ito ng asawa ko. Next time, siguraduhin ko. First try ko lang. Ito pa lang naman to. So next time, siguraduhin ko kompleto ako. Lalo na yung roller spin. Roller spin na kailangan ko talaga yung ano siya. Alam ko ganun, bakit siya medyo mataba, chubby-chubby. Gaya ko. Kasi, I have no roller spin. Yun ang ano kasi na, para siyang na ano. Pero masarap rin siya, guys. Sing lasa din ng mother-in-law ko na binibake niya. So, thanks guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will learn from my mistakes. And if you want the recipe, just comment and I'll give you the recipe. Bye!